Hello friends, so recently, during one of my voyage over the internet, I came across this article that was talking about how to solve and make the most out of situations where someone is relentlessly being unfair to us for some reason. However much we complain, he still does not seem to change. In such scenarios, one may find himself asking so many mind-boggling and non-progressive questions, such as why the other person can be so inconsiderate and not understand his own point of view. The Milk Carton Rule can help one to close the gap between expectations and reality. And the solution suggested is as simple as asking yourself this one question. Do you base your expectations on what the other person does, or on what you want her to do? And then, how differently would you feel if you based your expectation on what she actually did instead of what you wanted her to do? Sometimes we cause ourselves unnecessary frustration when we continue to demand that reality be different from what it is. We notice often that people do not try to solve a problem that they think should not exist. By recognizing that reality isn't always the way we want it, we can focus on solving the problem instead of repeating a cycle of frustration and anger. In almost every case where you find yourself frustrated by others, you have a choice. You can bask in negative emotions and feel sorry for yourself, or you can use your feelings as a catalyst to take a different approach to solving the problem. And for problems that you can't fix, you may just have to accept this as reality. And it doesn't mean that you have to approve of what the other person is doing, just that you recognize that you don't have the power to change the situation. Doing so can help you focus on other problems that you can solve, which leads to a better work and life. So next time you face a problem caused by others, don't get mad. Instead, follow the Milk Carton Rule and use principles of psychology to close the gap between your expectations and reality.